Hi everyone. Thank you for joining us once again at CubeMailGorilla.com. Um, Today's video I want to show you how you can utilize our follow-up mailer system, which will allow you to follow up with lost communication, lost leads, which is available for our premium and enterprise users. So if you're looking to utilize this tool, we highly recommend you subscribe and sign up for our premium package or our enterprise package. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out and see how this thing works. So we're going to click on follow-up mailer and then click OK. Now this is telling us that it's about to collect 24 emails from our inbox. Now notice it says it's about to take some time, right? Now based on the numbers, my numbers are different, right? I have 28 messages on my inbox. You might have more than what I have. The process will take time because what it does is it actually collects those emails and all those messages from your online inbox, from Gmail or Yahoo or whatever email service provider you're using. It will go ahead and collect those emails and save them on your offline inbox. So that's why it's going to take some time. So we're just going to click OK. Clicking yes, but we say OK and just wait for the process to open. Okay, so here we go. So now we're introduced to our simple interface for our follow-up emailer. Now our follow-up mailer is, like I said, it's a tool that allows you to follow up with lost communication, lost leads. If you take a look at over here, this is basically the section where you will find all your messages or your emails of every single recipient that has replied to you through CubeMail Gorilla. So if you've sent an email utilizing our software, CubeMail Gorilla, and you might have gotten a reply from one of your leads, from one of your prospects, you will see all those messages through here. That's where you're going to come and you see those messages, right? You can just filter through them and see which one's which and all that good stuff. Hit refresh and you can hit refresh to collect even more leads. And just to note, the refresh, what the refresh button does is basically collects new emails off your online database, off your online inbox, and distributes it and sends it off to your offline. Well, now your offline inbox is what you're seeing right over here. So that being said, let's also look at our recipient. Now notice that the recipient is actually a drop-down menu, and the recipient option is actually based on the keyword research that you've done. So if you go to data controls, click on data controls right here, just give it some time. For data controls, you notice that every single time you save your leads, right, when you generate leads with CubeMail Gorilla, you notice on the keyword section you have each lead categorized based on its keyword. For example, over here we have we've generated how many leads is this? Let's just see. It's about 6. I'm correct, 6 or 7 leads. Yeah, it's about 6 leads that have generated through this keyword. Right. So what's going to happen is over here, if we go to our follow-up mailer, we can pretty much select who we want to send emails out to. Now, this by default will go and send out emails, 6 emails to all these recipients right up here. And then if you change it over here, Photoshop Travis-Scott, then we'll know that, okay, fine, it's only going to send emails to everyone that has this keyword added to them. So I'm sure at this point you get the idea of how it actually works. Basically, it allows you to send bulk emails through through targeted keywords that you've used in the past. And right over here, notice that it says exclude recipients. who have already replied to you. Now what this basically means is that if you come down to your email, to your reply list over here, basically what Qmail Gorilla will do is it will exclude everyone that's on this list right up here. If you take this option, it will only send out emails to people that have not replied to you, which is a very useful feature if you're looking to follow up with lost communication, lost leads, people that have not converted in the past that you want to convert right now. So we're going to take this option. I'm going to save, I'm going to type our subject line, say hey name. Now the subject line should be relevant. Right? And this point is relevant because they've already received our email, but they didn't reply. So we can say hey. Now this is just a sample email. Yeah, so that's basically it. So the same, you can go ahead and click send. This will go ahead and send out all your emails to all these keywords, to all the recipients that have these keywords joined to them, or you can send it out to this keyword, whichever way you like, right? Obviously over here we said exclude recipients that have replied to us. If you untick this, it will also send them out. It will also send the emails out to these recipients as well. But for this case, we don't want that. We want to exclude those people, so we can click take over here. HTML mode is highly recommended for developers. So if you're a developer and want to use HTML, embed HTML to your emails, you can go ahead and do so. And yeah, that's basically it. If you have any further questions about this topic, about how to follow up with emails, follow up with lost communication emails, and basically convert leads that did not convert in the past, you're more than welcome to send us an email at support@qmailgorilla.com. You can comment down below, and we hope to hear from you soon.